Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we create jewelry. I changed my tagline, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. I was in Puerto Rico last week, and I got a little bit of a cold, but I'm trying to, just keep going. But it's so great to get a chance to go someplace and see some new things. And I always, look for the arts and crafts, and in the tourist areas, they have lots to see. So I did see something that was new and different for me, and I bought what is a shelf sitter. Now I make, I don't have any of my dolls in here right now, but I make African Queen statues. It's fabric and a base and all of that, and it takes about 3 days to make that and for it to cure and all of that, and it's just a whole long process. So I don't really make them very often. But I saw this shelf sitter that is a wood lady. Let's see, I just have her sitting on this wood. So she sits on a shelf like this. I said, oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my goodness, I could cut out something like that and it would just be awesome. So I bought the little shelf sitter, and I came home, and what I came up with is, ta-da! I'm calling her Mama Market Proverbs 31 woman. She, I always have to do fabric. Fabric is my thing. So, I do these faces. I have these little face earrings that I do. So I did my face, and it's like 3D. So it's not just all flat. So I put a face on her, and I took the top of her, gave her a nice African top. She has a bowl because she is a woman in the marketplace. She is offering her wares, and she's on a nice little base. This third little part is just an extra part. I wanted to make sure that it was weighted down right. But I'm just going to have big fun making these. So these are going to be my shelf thing. And what I'm going to do, whenever I make something new, I'm so excited about it. I am going to make a lot of these because I am going to do an outdoor vendor show, the Jacksonville Jazz Festival, which is one of my best shows. And my niece, she sets up with me, so it won't be as much work because there'll be 2 of us there. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to make a lot of these for that, using my African print fabric, so she can have all kinds of outfits and stuff. And I even, a long time ago when I was making my other dolls, I used to make a Mama Market one where she would have stacks of different colors of fabric on her head, just like you see when you go to countries like that. Okay, so let me show you her parts. Okay, I start out with a wood base. I use a 1/4-inch wood, and I cut, of course, I cut the face. I cut 2 faces. I cut a face with the eyes closed and the hair, of course, because you could either have it with the hair or with a head wrap. And then I did another face that had the eyes open. So I did 2 different faces. And then I cut the top of her dress. So you could, whatever fabric you want, or you could paint it. You don't have to, you could just paint this, but you know me, I'm extra. So you could just paint her however you want her and do her hair however you want to do it. But I added this 3D piece of, so I could have her top be different from her bottom. And then I also put a piece of paper. This is just some piece of paper bag for her bowl. And I have a little stand. I have 3 levels of the stand, so she fits. And thank goodness for, oh goodness gracious, what's my friend's business who helped me with my slots? Shout out. Oh, I'm gonna have to get her. I'm so bad. Anyway, she helped me with my slots. So I have a little stand here, a slotted stand. And so I added 2 more pieces to make it, you know, stable, so it won't fall over or fly over. And on this one, I just printed, oh, that's backwards, but it says Mama Market Proverbs 31. That's just on the base of mine here. And she stands about, let's see, she's a little over 12 inches. Let's see here. Okay, so she's about 12.5 inches. And then when I put the head wrap on her, she's about, let's see. Oh, with the head wrap and the stand, let's see, that's 12. So she's about almost 14 inches tall, this lady is. So that is what I have going on. Can't you just see this with all these different African print fabrics that I have? You know, and you could wrap her all kinds of ways. And you could even put a little necklace on her, you know. So there's lots of things that you can do with her. And I got this just from seeing that little shelf sitter lady that I just love. But you know me, I have to do my own thing. But that's, you know, our ideas just bounce off of each other. That's why I love the Tuesday Live subscriber chat, because we can bounce ideas off of each other. We can ask each other questions. We do problem solving. We give advice. It is so great. So I invite you to come and check out our Tuesday Live subscriber chat. We also want to do more of shout outs to other creators, because we are in this thing together and we can all be great together. I just really, really feel that. I'm shouting out the Creative Lady. I'm shouting out Darlene from BDK. I'm shouting out, oh my goodness, I need to get my list of shout outs. So by Tuesday, I'm going to have my list of shout outs. Gosh, I'm kind of, Joyce McTeer. She was one of my early inspirations, because she is an OG. I hope she doesn't mind me calling her an OG, but because she's an OG in this space, she's been doing it for a long time, doing her own thing. She encourages creativity. She encourages you to do your own thing. She encourages you to keep going. And Darlene at BDK, she gives all kinds of great business advice. It is so great. We got Chandler. We got JC Chandler. JC is very, very creative. She is tipping outside of the jewelry space, making other things that people want, because we have these machines that we just love, and it expands your creativity. So there's just so much for all of us to do. And while I'm talking, I want to thank every last subscriber. We are getting close to 7,000 subscribers. We're at 6,800, something like that. So we are well on the way to 10,000 subscribers. I just really, really appreciate you watching the videos, you giving me a like, a thumbs up, giving me comments. It is it's growing and growing and growing. And that's why I keep putting out videos. I keep trying to bring new and different things because of the encouragement that I get from people. You know, it all works together. It's helping my Sherika Originals business. It's helping my Amazon store. There's a third leg here. But anyway, it all works together. So my thing is I want to help others be successful. We know what's going on in this world today, and we know we can do what we need to do for ourselves. We can help each other. You know, people want to think that we're all looking for a handout or something. That is not the case. That has never been the case. But all right, I'm off my soapbox now. But I'm going to, if you are interested in getting a little kit for my little lady, I'm gonna offer a kit. So I'll put that in the description. So here she is. All right, good people. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.